Good morning, everyone. My name is Chloe Tan. I'm the website content writer at Healy Consultants based in Singapore. Today, I have with me my colleague Suganthi Savarajan. She is the accounting and tax officer in our very own Malaysia office. Hey, Suganthi, how are you?
Hi, Chloe. I'm good. How are you?
Good. I'm loving the rain, and I'm thinking like there was rain in Malaysia too, right? Like the
Yes.
past day.
Yeah, correct.
It's so lovely. Well, it's a lovely time to start a podcast then. So, today we're here to talk about a pretty straightforward engagement, right? Like a Hong Kong active company. And could you just tell us, like, what's the client do, like the business activity, where they were based, and like what services did we provide them?
Okay, sure. So, basically, this client they are providing like a general advertising services for their client, and this client is based in India. So they engage us for Hong Kong audit and the normal renewal services for their Hong Kong entity. So they engage us since 2019 for our services. So we are providing
Mm,
them accounting and tax service, legal registered address and company
mm,
secretary services, and the renewal services, all these things. Yeah.
I see. So, like, how long did that take?
To complete this engagement, it took me around 6 months.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they engaged us in March last year, and
Mm-hmm.
then there was a big delay from client to provide us the financial figure.
Mm-hmm.
So once they provide us, then we advance the audit engagement, and we also advance the renewal like the annual return filing, the business registration renewal, all this thing. Yeah.
And usually it takes like this amount of time to do it, or
It depends on the company's financial position. Sometimes, if the audit is not complete, I mean it's not complicated, then it will be less than 3 months. But if it's a bit complicated and challenges, if the auditors requires more documents, information, then it will be a bit delay. I mean, it will be more than 3 months. It depends on the company.
understood. Okay, so were there, like, you mentioned some challenges. Were there any challenges that you faced for this company?
Mm, To be honest, not challenges. I think it's just like a normal other Hong Kong entities engagement. I didn't face any challenges for this one.
Mm, okay. All right, cool. So were there any like highlights or key takeaways for this engagement then?
Okay, for what I will suggest to the client is to prepare the financial deliverables like the bank statement, the trial balance, everything. If possible, they need to prepare as soon as the financial year ends. For
Mm.
example, for this entity, the financial year end is 31st March 2021 last year. So if possible, they need to provide us within 1 month so that we can advance all the renewals, the audit, everything as soon as practical. Then it will be easier for us to file the tax return once IRD issue the PTR form. So it will be easy and helpful for us to proceed with the engagement complete.
So it'd be a much smoother process, basically.
Yeah.
I see. Well, that's really helpful for the audience then to just take note and like a reminder. Well, Suganti, thank you for your time and inputs today. Great effort. Thank you.
Thank you, Chloe. Bye.
Thank Bye. Have a good work day.